You know, average temperatures for this time of the year are close to 60 degrees for Fargo. We have been in the 20s for the majority of the day. Cloudy skies and brief flurries here and there on a very brutally cold way to start the week, and a lot of wet working its way through our river systems. And in fact, because we have such high rivers as a result of the rain that made its way through this past weekend, we need to very carefully watch our next weather maker that arrives Friday again and lasts into Sunday. Friday and Saturday for now have been declared first alert weather days because they could have a significant impact on our river levels, and we will keep you posted to that, and I'll have the very latest here in just one moment. Right now, look at the temperature out there. Ridiculous. 28 degrees. It's cold. It's wind chilly. It feels like 15 degrees. And we're almost done with the month of April. Winds north-northwesterly over 20 miles per hour. Some of us seeing gusts, a few flakes showing up on the radar in north-central portions of Minnesota. Now, it doesn't look like we're seeing much here, but there are some renegade flurries here and there. Cloud cover from the valley, eastern North Dakota, across most of Minnesota. Where we did get a little bit of sunshine, things warmed up a bit. We have temperatures in the 40s for Bismarck. They got deep snow and ice again this past weekend out in the western Dakotas, and they're trying to rebound from that and restore power to many communities there that lost it in a good old-fashioned sleet and ice storm with the combination of wind knocking out power. 20s here in the valley and across most of western Minnesota. Your winds gusting over 20 miles per hour. They're strongest where you see the yellow colors there, starting to die off a bit in central North Dakota. Passing flurries of snow as we go through your evening, mainly northern valley into parts of western and central Minnesota. Nothing significant as far as your amount of snow goes for any one location, but some of you could get a dusting. Now, check this out. As we go through the overnight, because there'll be some partial clearing and we have fresh snow on the ground, we could have single-digit readings. If we get that, or even mid-teens, will be in near record low categories for northeast North Dakota. So we'll be monitoring that. The rest of us start out our Tuesday on a cool note in the 20s. We'll have a little more sunshine in the afternoon, and that simple fact will help bolster temperatures into the 30s and to near 40 for many of us in the Southern Valley. We'll melt some snow that fell up north as well, and for most of the day the wind will be quiet and that sunshine will feel nice, but we're still way below average for this time of the year. Breezy from the east late, and because of the clear skies, we'll cool off fairly quickly once again. Fargo's planner, 24 to start. Ramp it up to near 40 degrees for the afternoon. It will feel delightful in that early to mid-afternoon range. Then the wind picks up a little bit, making it feel cool. So grab that jacket for the evening. Now let's look at this weekend weather-making system. The track of this system, not sold. The intensity of this system, not a done deal yet. But the way things are looking now, the last couple of runs have had an impactful system making its way through. Starting Friday, once again, bands of moderate, maybe even heavy rain will work through. Then another wave could be coming through as we go into the day on Saturday. Look at this familiar territory. More snow potential on the western edge or the cold side of this system. Looks like mainly rain for us until we get into Sunday. We could get some non-significant snow. We'll keep you posted. Some of our western counties could indeed get accumulations. The concern will be how much total moisture will be with this system. And the way the models have, here's the orientation. And all we're going to say as far as amounts go is it looks like it's potentially heavy. 1 to 2+ inches for some. We'll keep you posted because that could obviously impact our already high rivers as the fight continues in Hillsboro here. Bill, thanks for your photo. This is from that Woodland Park area, as we take a look at the quieter midweek forecast. 50 degrees on Thursday, a few sprinkles, insignificant, but not insignificant as we go from Friday through Saturday. Cooling off Sunday, snowflakes could mix in for some. First alert weather days for the potential concerns about flooding here in the valley and beyond. We'll keep you posted where that rain falls will play a big role in who will be impacted, and we can only hope that it kind of spreads the wealth around to other areas so that our communities in the heat of the battle right now don't have to deal with a lot more water.
Well, if there's a silver lining, half full, temps are warming up a little bit.
A little bit, then the water has a chance to go down a little bit, and that's really a big deal.
Okay, we'll cling on that.
Yeah.
Cleanup week.